Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Adetolu, and I'll be reviewing Stephen Munson's latest product called the Bulletproof system. That's what I'll be reviewing today, and I just want to take you through the sales funnel, the features, the benefits of the product, and I want to urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that as time goes on, I will be reviewing very profitable products, digital products, especially in the make money online niche, business opportunity niche, and all of that. So I'll be reviewing these products from time to time. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll get updated as I upload these videos. I join you to follow me. This product is called the Bulletproof system, and it was created by Stephen Munson. Stephen Munson is the creator and founder of Discover Heal, and the product is built under the principle of three strategies, three simple steps you need to generate your own income in 2020. This is what Stephen Munson is promising anybody who buys into this product, and he promises to teach anyone who buys this product how to own a money-making business from home. Okay, so Stephen Munson is promising that anyone who buys into this product will be taught how to it's more like a business in a box that teaches anyone who buys into it three simple steps to making money from home. So as you can see, it's risk-free with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. He calls it, just like I said, the Bulletproof system. Here are the features. Discover why Bulletproof is the #1 fastest growing system. Get exact step-by-step training on exactly how to set up your own money-making business from home. He promises to give you the exact step-by-step training on how to set up your own money-making business from home. And I must say, Stephen Munson killed it in this aspect. He killed it because he gives three valuable videos. The first video has to do with where he focused on rewiring the mindset, okay, such that he gives a lot of training, a lot of insight into why the mindset need to be rigid, so to say, why anyone who is seeking to work from home needs to align, okay, his or her mindset to be in tune with abundance, happiness, and greatness. And he also teaches in this module, the first module, how to create a rock solid foundation so that no matter what happens in life, okay, you always find ways to win. And I agree, the training is so rich with valuable lessons that teaches you how to weather through the storms of life. I think one of the best personal or self-help, personal development or self-help lesson that I have seen so far. Then in the second module, we all know that traffic is the lifeblood of any business. In this model, Stephen Munson he took his time to uh, to give a detailed, comprehensive insight into the tips and techniques, okay, to attracting thousands of visitors to pre-built website. And not only that, let's not also forget, Stephen Monson is going to be giving anybody who buys this product a pre-built website. In essence, it's a website that is already built and prepared to take order and process order. All you need to do is just drive traffic to it. So in this second module of the bulletproof system, Stephen Monson teaches you how to drive traffic, and he gives you a comprehensive review of various traffic models. He went as far as telling you what the free traffic models are, as well as what uh, the paid traffic models are. In the end, he advises you on which of the traffic models to go for, or even though he didn't specify if you should go for the paid the uh, or the free the free option. I think this is where I kind of have my reservation on Stephen Monson. I feel he should have just hit the nail right on the head and say, hey, forget the free traffic option and go for the paid traffic, because this is what will give you the best result in the shortest time possible. So I think that is my reservation about that. Then another good thing about the system is that Steven Monson, in this third module of the bulletproof system, he went as far as teaching uh, teaching how to take your website visitors and turn them into cold hard cash. You also learn the right ways to follow up on autopilot with your visitors, getting them to know, like, and trust you, so they will buy from you. I think Stephen Monson, from what I learned in his teaching within uh, this uh, this third uh, module, I think it's practically everything that he has applied in his business. So for me, I see it as real. I see him as more like pouring himself to the lesson. And I tried most of the conversion techniques. I think a lot of strategies are new to me, and I believe that whoever buys this this package is also going to be exposed to some new techniques, new conversion techniques, and how to scale up and all of that, especially following up on customers, getting them to like you, getting them to trust you, and all of that. I think uh, Stephen Monson did a very, very good job. Okay, especially I think this has about three, about five video, various video options where he teaches the various aspects of conversion and turning your cold visitors into hard cash. Then the good thing about the system is that it is basically uh, prepared and tailored for anyone who has failed in the past, anyone who needs step-by-step instruction, anyone who needs a community to help, support, and guide them, anyone who is ready for their breakthrough, anyone who is ready to understand what it actually takes to win online. I think the going by what is stated here, Stephen Munson prepared this course in such a way that it meets the needs of this set of people. And for me, I would say Stephen Munson did his research very, very well, and he tailored, okay, his focus. The message was clear, the message was direct on this set of people. Then look at the mouth-watering bonuses. He, even though I do not see the value of the bonus to this, it didn't strike me. It's not as uh, as valuable as the amount stated here. It's not a one-on-one coaching. I didn't experience a one-on-one private coaching. Rather, it's more of a recorded video session. It's rich, but it's not a one-on-one coaching as specified in a sales letter. Then the master action plan. Yes, this is superb. It's a PDF. Uh, it's a PDF format file that gives you all the action plan you need to take towards mastering the art of online marketing. It's a 7-day action plan in PDF format. Then I think this is one of the best aspects of the business, where Stevie Monson practically gives you a turnkey website that is more like a business in a box kind of website, a ready-made website. There is a landing page, and there are various options of this landing page that you can use. And another beautiful thing about the landing pages is that virtually all of them convert at a whopping 30 to 40%, some even up to 60% rate. They convert so well, and it gives you up to 6 to 7 options that you can choose from. You can split test, and the conversion rate, like I said, is between 30 to 60%. This is really, really rich. So if you look at it, and for me, when you consider all of this, the value that Stephen Munson is selling in this course, okay, selling at $9.9, $9.97, the course is far valuable than the cost, than the price, than the value he is considering also the bonus offering. The cost is far richer than the cost of this course. And the bulletproof system, if you ask me, is very cheap at the rate Stephen Munson is offering it. And when you subscribe today, there is also an upsell of the VIP package that you are going to be exposed to. I think the VIP package cost about 49.95 thereabout. That is what you are going to be exposed to, and it has this bulletproof system has a 7-day money back guarantee. That's the beauty of it. And I want to assure you, if you buy this course, you have no regrets. It's a one-time purchase. You buy it and you get instant access to your members area. Then if you buy this course through my link, my affiliate link below, I will be giving you this book, one of the best personal development ebook that I have read so far, Wired for Greatness. I will be giving you free. It's valued at $17 presently, but I'll be giving it to you. I'll be giving it to you free if you buy today through my affiliate link. Uh, there are so many valuable insights you are going to learn from the course. Chapter 1 tells you about awareness and planning. Chapter 2, invest in your physical health. Chapter 3, invest in your mental health. Chapter 4, let go of negativity. Chapter 5, adapt the attitude of a winner. Chapter 6, find your place and purpose. Chapter 7, embrace positivity. Chapter 9, dedicate time to what matters most. Chapter 9, build others up, don't tear them down. Chapter 10, be yourself. I'll be giving you this very, very important, valuable book free if you buy through my link below. So that is it. Click my affiliate link below to buy this product. It's beginner friendly, especially if you are starting new. It has all the value, all the necessary lessons you need to take off in as a home business professional. And even if you are advanced, it's also a course filled with fresh insights that is going to enrich your life and enrich your business. Just click on the link below and buy from my affiliate link to get the free bonus offering that I'm giving you. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get future product review that I'll be doing. I'll be reviewing some of the best products in the make money online and business opportunity niches. So thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best. Thank you.